What up, Team Buckhouse? We got the mountain bikes and we're gonna ride the Peaks Trail. This is a trail that goes from Peak 7 all the way to Peak 1 in Frisco over here in Breckenridge, Colorado. It's really rad. I've done this a lot and it's, I don't know, it's one of my favorite trails to do. And I've been saying we're gonna do it with Nate, but Nate's actually sick, so we gotta fill in. We got Cody.
Bikes.
Cody bikes, at least from the us hitting a jump with a bike here. Watch it. So Cody's our bike guy, I think. He's our best biker, but we don't know yet. We haven't put him to the test.
We haven't been on a bike yet.
Yeah, so today's test day. We're going biking, so enough talking. Let's hit the trail. We got some up to do. I lied, we're gonna talk one more time. I got this Dakine fanny pack mountain bike thing. We're gonna test this today too. I'll let you guys know how it is.
I have this Dakine backpack thing.
Dakine.
We have the same kind.
Oh my God. I gotta fix my seat to climb mode. Seat up to go up, seat down to go down. Also, you can lock your shocks. So it's a popular hike trail too. So watch out for the peoples. Up we go. You ever bike bumps before, Cody? Come on. That's not the trail. That was wild though. I was not skilled enough to make it through there, or I got scared. That could have been way worse though. You got a little bit of downhill now. Right back to the uphill. Cody's brakes are louder than my brakes are. That's saying something. How's it going? Yeah. Whoa. Too much gas. The technical up is different than just like up.
Right?
Like that section got me, I bounced off. That's why I turned my shocks off on my rear and my front, because if I don't, I'll get bounced off my bike more. And then we need to remember, and I normally don't, to turn our shocks back on and lower our seat. This was the first trail someone took me on, and I was on like a Walmart mountain bike with like not disc brakes. I almost died.
This is the most like run up a hill I feel like I've done all summer.
Right?
I've gone up a lot of hills.
It feels good. I mean, it feels so good though. Like I'm not a big fan of the earn your descent, but like just get out and work. It feels good. Oh, sorry, I slipped off. We're making good pace. Morning. Yeah, dude, there's still some epic ups, but when you're doing this, it's pretty fun. Give Cody more space. Oh, guys are like overly braking. He doesn't need to worry about me behind him. 1000% just swallowed the bug. Monster truck and overall is a jump. Holy crap, how did I do that? Let's go. Alright, let's take a quick water break. I need to get one of those fancy water bottles. I didn't know how to water bottle today. But I will say, as for the bag, the fanny pack, I can't really feel it back there, which is kind of nice. So Cody got really into splitboarding, and that's why we did a lot of splitboarding, and we're going to be doing a lot more in this upcoming winter, which is really rad. And I've always thought mountain biking is very similar to splitboarding, where you work really hard, and you know, a lot of the enjoyment comes from the work and just being out in nature and working up a sweat and getting it.
Yeah.
And you haven't done the down yet. I mean, you done a little bit of down, but we're going to get really good down on this one.
You have to, like, if you don't enjoy the up, then it's not going to be worth it, you know, with any of this stuff.
Totally. And
at least to some extent.
And I think enjoying is relative, you know, like it's always work.
Sometimes you just got to enjoy pain, you know, like currently my butt is in pain.
You got to get one of those taint pads.
Taint pad.
Linked in the description. They are huge. They help so much. All right.
Okie dokie.
We got 5 more peaks to go. We're on peak 6. You want to keep leading? I'll Glad you're doing good. Gives everyone something to look at. Oh, wow. This is the first time I've been here since they cleared down all the dead trees. That's wild. It's so open. Get it, Cody. Super gnarly out. Heck yeah, Cody, get it. I don't think I've ever successfully biked that up. That was rad, Cody. Woo! Not gonna lie, I needed this day to remember how to shift or do it. I'm probably not even doing it correctly, but when you're hitting bike parks, you don't really shift as much. I think we're gonna have it down and then really gnarly up. One thing I will say is I hate with the constant climbing, constant descending. One thing I hate is now we're descending with everything locked up with no shocks. So it's definitely insanely bumpy descend. When we know we're full descend, we'll go squishy shocks. But like the constant up and down, yeah, you got sections like that. Like I would have loved to have been squishy bike through that. Dude, you're killing it, Cody. Dude, we're crushing this trail. This is the fastest I've ever done it. I'm a little nervous for the down with how many hikers we keep seeing.
Luckily our bikes are
squeaky.
yeah, fairly noisy.
There's two ways I've known I've lived up here in the mountains forever and that I'm getting old is these trees are getting tall. 4 years ago, these trees were not this big. They're so tall now. Tight trees, man. All right, so this uphill right here, I have never successfully done. In the past, it was because lack of skill and not in shape. Now we have the skills. Could always be in better shape. Oh yeah, man. Woo!
A nice little up.
Either that was the gnarliest one or there's one more.
That was heavy.
We're like right to the down.
That was a good warm up, you know?
No, I fully believe in that. Like that was our warm up. So then we're in flow state for the down. Let's see what we get into over here. Might be one more up, like a gnarly up. Frisco. That turn always gets me. Oh, no problem. We like dogs, especially on trails. What up, dog? This is kind of the start of the down. It's a good place to get water, and the video is gonna get good, guys. How's it going?
Good. Very sunny.
All right, good time to go into downhill mode. Oop. I'd rather do it now and have to do a little bit of uphill in downhill mode than fully forget and be fully downhill. This is like a false downhill, if that makes sense. Like it's gonna be a little downhilly, then it's gonna be a little not, then it's like full-blown downhill for a hot second. Squishy bike now, one finger braking. It's actually so nice to not be getting tossed by these rocks. Ooh, that was a gnarly section. I'm so shocked I got past that big drop. That was wild. Woo! Yeah, dude, this place has gotten some rain. Makes this downhill fully new, you know? A lot more new obstacles to dodge. I'm gonna stop here though, make sure Cody did good. How was that first drop?
Oh, that one little...
Yeah.
Dude, I was like about to walk it. And I was like, no, Johnathan win, I have to do it.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. It's fun to bike with friends because they do it. This part's pretty rough too. Also, like that washout is so new. Like, I think it's just once again because we got so much rain.
Yeah.
So like as much as I know this trail, I don't. It's kind of new. That's new. That little feature. Maybe like some locals and then put in some work on the trail. Some heavy rocks. This drop that I've been telling Cody about, falling on it so many times that I'm always like so like hyper aware of it. Like, where's the drop? And like every time I'm like, is this it? Is this it? Like kind of ruins the downhill for me because I don't know exactly where it is every time, and it gets me every time. But I think we're close. I think it's in there. I think it's in here. Nope, I was wrong. Gotta let the climbers go up. No problem. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. This is the jump. So that drop I was talking about, they got rid of it. They must have filled it in or something. It ain't there. I did not hit that jump as good as I wanted to. Get Cody here and give her another go. So the fanny pack on the down, barely felt it. It was good. Boost it, Cody! That's the majority of it down. We got a little bit more ahead of us, but
That's fun.
yeah.
I get the full suspension versus hardtail thing.
Yeah.
So I'm like the whole way.
That's why I took lead, because I was like, it's not a Cody thing, it's a bike thing. Unlike snowboards can make a bit of a difference, but for the most part, bikes 100% make a difference, being on the right bike for what you're doing. That being said, I think I kind of want to give this thing a full send after I obviously fish my snack.
Jump.
All right. We scoped the little jump thingy, and it's not worth hiking. If we're gonna hike a jump, might as well be an actual jump that's like not a backcountry jump. I don't know. Anyways, let's keep going. All right, I'll follow you. Hello, pupper. Oh, this is the drop. That's the drop. That was wild. We lived. They didn't get rid of it. It's after the jump. I need to remember that. The scary drop is after the jump. Oh, I ran into Cody. I take it right here. Yep. And now we've done it. That is the whole trail. Ooh, I remember this road being smoother too. All right, so normally you could park at the hospital or in town in Frisco and like be done, but we are crazy and we like pain. So we're gonna bike the 10 miles back to Breckenridge on this lovely bike path. Give you guys a little bit of views. This can be quick and simple. Stay tuned, subscribe. We just did something super fun for you guys. Cody's one of those fancy no-hander guys. Take a right. He's even turning no-hander. Cody is a bike guy. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I could. Oh. Yeah. That's all I got. There we go. That's the. Hello. This is neat. Whee! Ta-da! We're almost back to the car, by the way, guys. You can tell it's new because the bike pack is new. All right, made it to the truck. Bikes. That was about 20 miles in about 3 hours.
Hell yeah.
Bunch of up, a lot of down. So sick. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll be doing more mountain bike stuff. Cody's got a bike now. Nate's got a bike.
Bikes.
I can't wait for us to go to Keystone and have a Keystone like Team Huckhouse day with bikes instead of snowboards. But with that, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. It's daily on the channel. We do stuff like this daily.